Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. So I made a quick trip to Walgreens and I wanted to share with you guys a few of the items that I grabbed. Spending $50 out of pocket, well, doing a spend 50 and then redeeming $50 in Walgreens cash because I am tracking towards that booster. When I make 6 purchases and I spend 50, I'll get back $50 in Walgreens cash. So I had a little bit to use, so I went ahead and I did that. I grabbed quite a few promotions today in this transaction. I did one transaction with everything that you see here. So a couple of things to point out. First off, if you guys are new, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate all of you guys who've just been taking the time just to subscribe and leave me a little comment. I really appreciate that. Also, I was looking at my analytics, right? So 77% of the people who watches the channel does not subscribe. So I would really appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button. Quite a few deals here. I want to share with you guys 2 in particular that I got from other creators, and I want to point them out. So the Icy Hot, I saw on Michelle's channel, My Own Identity. She posted that. I'll go over this real quick. You guys go over and follow her. And then the back to school supply deal, I kind of saw from Jody Dunn. I did a little bit of a version of myself based on what I needed. So I'm going to go over those. All right, you guys. So let's jump right in and make sure you hit the thumbs up button. So let's start here. I grabbed the Elvive. They are 2 for $9. There's no deal on them as far as anything coming back, but I added these 2 because I wanted to make sure that my total was over the $100 mark, and I wanted to use a 20% since I wasn't too sure all of these items that was on sale or that wasn't. So I wanted to be sure I was over the $100 mark. All right, so I added this too. There are 2 for $9. We have a $3 digital coupon. We have a $3 IVC coupon off of 2. So remember, IVC coupons, store register rewards, they count against your spend total. So these kind of came out 2 for $6, so minus the $3 coupon, so that was there. And then I did the Crest deal once more. These are $4, and then buy 4 you're gonna get back $6 in register rewards. We do have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon. I went ahead and grabbed the Colgate. These are $4 on sale, and then no, these are $5. These are the bigger ones here. Ooh, my flash. Yeah, the 5.1. These are $5, and then buy 2 you're gonna get back $4 in store register reward, store coupon. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then these 2 I went ahead and picked up. So these are buy 1 get 1 half off. And then there's this Catalina promotion is not listed in store, so you can grab whichever one that you want. So my mom actually uses this product, so I went ahead and I wanted to try it out for her. But they are buy 2 you're gonna get back a $4 register reward. Now this is an actual manufacturer register reward, and we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I don't know if it's still available to clip because I don't know, I don't remember when it became available, but clip that, and then buy 1 get 1 half off. These were I don't know, but I'll go over my receipt here. And then you also can submit back to Ibotta for $2 on each one there, so giving you back an extra $4. All right, I grabbed the Dawn again. I also grabbed this as a filler item, not because I actually needed to add it, but I just wanted again to make sure my total was safe. These are $1.24, buy 2 and you're gonna get back $1 in register reward. Now, quick warning for the Garnier whole blends products, so the Fructis and the whole blends, make sure you're grabbing these 2 products in one transaction. So 2 Fructis and 2 of the whole blends. So I'm gonna mess up my setup here just to show you guys, because I did this first transaction yesterday and I was like, where's my $3? And it didn't print. So come to realize that these are normally buy 2 get back $3 in register reward. They normally 2 for $8, and then we normally have the $3 coupon. So They're priced 2 for $8, but read the tag. They are spend 10 and you're gonna get back a $3 register reward. So 2 for $8, 2 for $8. You're buying 4 at $16, $3 digital coupon coming off here, $3 digital coupon coming off here. So $6 coming off altogether. So you're paying $10 and you're gonna get back $3 for spending 10. Now if you didn't want to spend 16, feel free to buy 3 for $12. You're just not gonna get that extra $3 savings. So whatever you want. All right, and then spend 10, get $3 back. The dial, they are 2 for $7, and that third product is ringing up for $3.50. So 2 for $7, so 3 comes out to $10.50. Yes, I want to say. And we do have a $2 digital coupon, but there are buy 3, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. I also threw this in as a filler item, and also because my kids actually need it. So my kids go to a private school here in Florida. School have not started back up for them yet. School actually starts Wednesday. So one more day to go, even though public school opened about 2 weeks ago, but their school have not opened. And I was going over their list for the things they needed for school supplies, and they actually need some personal wipes for their backpack, for their desk. So I was like, great product to throw in. And we have a 25-cent coming back from Ibotta. And I also bought this because a while ago I got a $1 Catalina coupon that printed out for me. This is $2.99, and then when you buy 1, you get back $1 in register reward. This has also been going on all month as well. All right, now the last deal that I did for this booster here. So we have a couple of boosters that I'm working with. I'm working with a spend 40 get 9 paper booster. We have the digital paper booster, spend 25 get 7. The personal care booster, I had already used it last week, so if I didn't, it would have counted towards this this dial, the toothpaste, and this hair care product, and these products as well. But I used it last week with everything we had happening, so I used that. But there is another booster that we've had for a little bit now. I know I can't remember when we received it, but it's spend 5 get 10, or spend 25 spend 10 get 5, spend 25 get 10, something like that. I'll post it on the screen so you guys can see it. The problem is typically I would do this. So you'll go online and see, you can click on the booster or click on certain things. You'll see what would pop up with the booster, but this particular booster wasn't doing that because of this monthly deal. So I was like, well, what does it work on? I'm sure it works on plenty other stuff, but finding out that it works on the school supplies and there are things that I actually need, I was like, let's go for it. And we have some Ibotta rebates as well. So I grabbed these Sharpie pens here. These are my favorite, and I was so glad to pick this up because look, they have different colors, red and blue. Typically I only see these in black, but I picked up 2 of these, 2 different versions. They are $4.99 on sale. I went ahead and picked this up. I've been meaning to pick this up, but I always forget. But we have $1.50 on this product, as well as on this other big. But I picked this up. I can't remember how much it was. And that's the thing. Some things had already been marked down, so I wasn't too sure if they were a sale price or regular price, what the 20% was going to attach to. So can't recall, but I picked this one up. Something was buy one get one half off. I can't remember, you guys, but we do have a $2 Ibotta rebate for this product, so which is why I went ahead and I picked it up. This one also, we have a separate $2 Ibotta rebate, so I went ahead and picked this up. And I love this because my daughter, my 5-year-old, she loves to color and she's very colorful, so this would be a nice thing for her to do on her downtime. Now, as I'm going through my list again, last night I realized I needed these purple folders for my kiddos. So I needed 2. There were 3 for $1. Also in this promotion, when you spend 20, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. And then this was the last two products I needed. These dry erase board, the kids actually need them for their backpack. And these are BOGO. I think they were $3.99 or $4.99 or something like that. But this is everything that I ended up grabbing. So let me make some room here so I can show you guys my receipt, because we're going a little bit long and it's hot in my garage. All right, so here's my receipt here. It's a long receipt. I typically get these long receipts at CVS, not at Walgreens, but it's a long one. All right, so these are the dry erase boards, $4.99, buy one get one free. The Icy Hot, $9.99, half off. The Dawn products, something that's $1. Oh, the folders, that's 3 for $1. Here is the dial here, that third product ringing up at $3.50. The Crest toothpaste, and again, remember with the Crest, guys, make sure you're grabbing 4 of the exact same ones, because sometimes those coupons are not attaching to multiple products. That's one. And then number 2, the 6 off of 4 is not attaching to the same products, so just be careful with that. Here is the Elvive and the $3 store IVC coupon coming off there. The Sharpie $4.99. The Bic was $8.61, so it was actually on sale. The regular price for that was $11.49, so it was already on sale, so the 20% did not apply. The Fructis here, $4. The whole blends, 2 for $8. The Colgate, $5. The other big products, which was regular price at $7.99, 20% saving me $1.60. The Wet One wipes, $2.99. Here's the 60-cent saving there as well. Use the paper booster there. This is the total for the 20%. The one paper coupon that I got for the Wet Ones wipes. These were register rewards that I used, 6, 5, 1, 3, and 3. All right, digital coupons, so $6 for the Crest, $3 for the whole blends, $3 for the Fructis, $3 for the Colgate, $3 for the for the Icy Hot, $2 for the Dial, $1.50 of one of the big products. So took my total way up. Used $50 in Walgreens cash right there, paid the rest out of pocket, which was $20.46. And then I did get back $26 in Walgreens cash, and I got one more trip to go to get the $50 back. So $26, we got $9 for the paper booster, 10 for spending 25 here, that's 19, and then $7 for spending 25 for my digital weekly booster, if you want to call it that. All right, then we did get our money back from Ibotta. All right, let me show you guys what I got back. So $4 here, store coupon. This is for the Colgate. $5 for the, what would this one be for? Oh, store coupon here. This is for the school supplies. So it's a store coupon because there are multiple products and multiple brands that are included. $3 for the Garnier. $5 for the Hinkle products. That's the Dial. $1 for the P&G. That's going to be for the Dawn there. $1 for the hand wipes for the wet ones, and then $4 for the Icy Hot, which is an actual register reward. And then I got this $4 for the P&G. I was trying to figure out what it was for, unless, this is my only other thought, unless the Crest, oh, you know what? No. So this gave me $4 for this Crest, not $6. So I guess here's the mystery, right? So we figured out what this was because it was glitching. So instead of the $6, it gave me $4. I shall contact customer service because, yeah, I want my $6. Anyways, but maybe because I picked these one up, I wasn't too sure what else was the different one. So be careful as to what you are picking up. But they are ringing up $4. So $4, $16 there, but it gave me $4. So anyways, I'm $2 short there, but I did get everything printed out here. And of course we're getting this, this is just telling me this is how much I can redeem, $20 there. So this is all I've got for you guys. Don't forget to like the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.